Good morning and welcome back. Odyssey of the Seas, day number 7. The cruise is very quickly approaching its end. We've got 2 days left. We are at sea today with no plans whatsoever. We'll probably head up to the pool deck at some point and just kind of hang out. Yeah, no real plans today. Probably go see some shows or something tonight, or I don't know, maybe Becca will go out. We'll just see what happens throughout the day. So come along and let's get our day started. We're headed down to the dining room to get breakfast. Got a bit of a line this morning. One thing I haven't really pointed out is these screens on your way into the dining room. It's pretty neat. They're unique. Very pretty. French toast with scrambled eggs and I guess a hash brown. We're doing that all the way around other than the fruit. Alright. Breakfast is done. The girls are headed to the pool deck. I'm gonna head back to the room for a little bit, then I'll probably join them. Let's go. Well, it's another beautiful day out here at the pool deck. It is not nearly as warm as it was yesterday though, so you can tell that we're getting closer back to the States and further away from Aruba, which is interesting. Lily's over here somewhere playing in the splash area. Alright, let's talk for a second. Baby splash pad right there, right? All day yesterday, had no issues going in and out of there with our child at all. Both of us going in there. And now all of a sudden today, only one adult can go in there per child. And there's like 3 or 4 people in there total. And was told I had to leave. I just don't get it. I don't get it at all, Royal. Like, we've never had these issues with you guys before. And now all of a sudden, this cruise is just filled with issues. Make it make sense, you know? We spend thousands and thousands of dollars and you're going to tell me that I can't sit in this little pool with my daughter who's 1.5 years old when it's not even full and there's nothing on the sign that says that. And before anybody says anything, I spoke to the supervisor and apparently that's company policy. It never was an issue in Harmony, hasn't been an issue in here until magically today. So between that and the service to the dining room, very frustrating to say the least so far. That's where we're at for lunch. Today they actually have a chocolate fountain, although you don't get to do it yourself. Still interesting. They're giving away balloons to kids over here. How cute. Yeah, she got one. Your guess is as good as mine on what this one is supposed to be. I don't know. It's fun though. Also, luggage tags. That means we gotta start thinking about getting off. Alright, just got Lily down for her nap, and I was not hungry earlier, so I'm headed back out now. I'm gonna go somewhere I haven't been all week, and that is the Solarium Bistro. Check that out. Alright, this is the Solarium Bistro. It looks like a mini version of Windjammer. Interesting. Honestly, a little disappointed in the Solarium Bistro. Got it to go, and I'm just gonna eat out here by the pool deck now. Here's we have the World's Sexiest Man competition going on. We saw this one on Harmony before. It's pretty fun. I also want to point out, the smoking section is right here next to the kids' pool. That feels like that makes a lot of sense, doesn't it? And I popped over to the Solarium pool for a few minutes just to chill. Probably the last time I'll get a chance to do this. It's just as blue and as pretty as far as you can see. Gorgeous day. Alright, time to hit the room, freshen up, and before we know it, it'll be dinner time. It is Royal Night, aka Lobster Night. So we're gonna all try to dress up a little bit. I think we might actually have a matching outfit. So we'll get to that. Gonna go make one attempt here at dropping Lily off for the last time at Adventure Ocean. And, you know, fingers crossed she does better today. So we'll see. And we made it 30 minutes today. Worst one yet. See yourself. Appears they're playing volleyball down there at the pool though. What you talking about? What you talking about? Are you quiet now the camera's on? Okay, we were just sitting here talking. Got some people doing rock climbing today. This is a weird layout for the ship because it's very tight right through here. Not really anything particular. Just hanging out. I'm really not sure the camera's going to do it justice just how gorgeous this is right now. The water's super calm, the sun is setting. I mean, this is just gorgeous. It's lobster night. The girls are sitting over here tonight. Doing the French onion again tonight. I got a little on my shirt.
I don't think she can eat that.
Lobster night.
I don't want it, baby.
I got the tortellini, and then I also have Becca's lobster as well because she doesn't like it. Meanwhile, Lily is just chilling. Chocolate cake and baked Alaska. Alright, dinner is done. Headed upstairs to get the stroller. I will be happy to admit that the service has gotten a lot better. Food's been good, service got better. So, good improvement there. I also want to get out of this hideous shirt. Love you, Becca. We are swaying quite a bit tonight, too. Whew, hard to walk straight. Oh, tonight's show is Jeff Tracta. He was on AGT at one point.
Girls, 40 needs, cameras out, carriage reads. Get it because you're here. Actually, 6,000 people in the ocean behind the ship swimming. They're swimming.
Alright, just left out of that show. Jeff Tracta, impersonator, comedian. Meh, at best. He was okay. But we've seen better shows this week. I'll put it that way. Alright, I'm off to go see the Quest game show now. This was a very favorite of ours on Harmony of the Seas, so hopefully it'll be just as good. It's a crazy game show where you try to bring random stuff down and teams compete, and it's a whole big thing. And last time I ended up down on the game show floor, and it was quite embarrassing but funny. So we'll see if that happens. I'm not going to try, but I wasn't trying last time either and still ended up there. So let's get to it. One thing I do find interesting is in the C-plex on this ship, because there is no Studio B to do it in. I kind of thought it might be in the 270 venue, but it's in the C-plex, and I don't really know how that's going to work because I would imagine it's going to be a big crowd and probably not going to be able to see it very well. But we're going to check it out and see what's going on. Made it down here to the C-plex, and you can see the setup behind me here for the Quest. And oddly enough, they have the nets down. So, like, you gotta sit here and look through a net to see everything? That doesn't make a lot of sense either. So, I don't know, we'll see if they're gonna raise these or not before the show starts. It's about 15 minutes. Just odd. Just another one of these things on Odyssey here that's just peculiar for sure. Well, no sooner than I said that, they're raising them up. That at least makes a little more sense.
From top to bottom, full white, top to bottom, full white. That's the colors, full white. Team 3, I'll take it. Team 4, I'll take it. Vote, go that vote. The lady must be in the middle. Team 5, Team 3, Team 2, Team 4. Bring me your team number. Your team number. And ladies, I want one female from your team. I need you to bring me 3 guys' t-shirt not being worn. 3 guys' t-shirt not being worn. Bring me 3 guys' t-shirt not being worn. Team 4, Team 3, Team 5, Team 1, Team 2. Team number 3, Team number 4. We need 2 more people. We need 1 more person.
Alright, Quest was very good. Again, just like on Harmony, highly recommended if you're ever on a world ship and they have it. Definitely go check it out. Hilarious. And I'm gonna go spend a little bit of time in the casino before I call it a night. Alright, I'm done in the casino. Had a little bit of a hiccup. My card wasn't working at the table, so I don't think I got credit for sitting down there, unfortunately. But I did come away with more money than I went in with, so that's always a win. But we're gonna end it here for today, day number 7 on Odyssey of the Seas. Tomorrow we are in Coco Cay for our very last day on the ship before we get home, or back to Florida for then we can fly home. So we're gonna check out the beach, get in the pool, and just kind of do all the things you do at Coco Cay. So come along with us, and we'll see you in that one. Bye. Give you an idea of how much we're rocking tonight. Look at the pool just sloshing around back and forth. It's been a very bumpy night here.